we're gonna head out to do a circle. I'm gonna go around the neighborhood and check out this mic setup. This is my second last attempt. I have no more ideas after this. Alright, so my voice usually clips around here. Unfortunately, it's traffic, so we can't really go, but my voice clips pretty bad at this speed. I hear a lot of engine noise. So yeah, so this is my last attempt at having the mic mini, or the mic 2 for that matter. They both get a lot of engine noise, or wind noise. So when I'm at these speeds here, you can barely hear my voice. And I don't want to scream on the mic, because then you have clipping issues. Alright, so testing at 80. Testing at 90. Testing 100. Testing 100. Testing 100. Alright, hopefully there's no cars going by. I see trucks, but I hope we have an opening here. The car's coming, but fuck, man, there's a car in front of me too. Testing 130, testing 130, testing 140, testing 135, testing 130. That's my voice sound. My voice sounds good. Let's slow down, otherwise we're gonna be... Oh, this guy's taking a piss? This guy's taking a piss. Motherfucker. That's why we get weeds around here, eh? Fucking people from Toronto coming up and pissing. This way. Look at all these cars, man. Where the hell are everybody going? The casino's that way. Maybe they're all fucking gamblers. Fucking losers. Go to a casino. Waste your fucking paycheck. I understand casinos. If you're Chinese and you're laundering money, I get it. All the power to you. But when you sit there and you work 40 hours a week plus overtime, and then you go blow it all at the casino every fucking day, that's fucking pathetic. Pathetic. With a capital P. Alright, got an opening. Testing 130, testing 140, testing 145. Testing 140. Alright. Testing 125. Testing 115. Testing 110. Let's keep it here. 115. Testing 117. Testing 120. And slow down. Testing 95. Now I lose the ability of clipping control, like clip control, so I don't have that with this this setup. We're doing 85, and I hope I don't have to raise my voice, because then I don't have anything to help me with clipping. And the whole idea here is I want to minimize the post-production corrections on the audio. I want my audio to be as good as I can get it, coming out right out of the gate without having to modify anything. And ride is over, so we'll check it out.